In this video, I'll show you how to change the ink toner in your Canon imageCLASS MF3010 printer in case it runs out. So the first step is actually to turn off your device. The power button is down below. Turn it off and wait at least 5 minutes. Sometimes those ink toners can get really hot and you don't want to stick your finger there when they're very warm. So just wait 5 minutes to make sure you don't get injured. Then next step is to lift this top panel over here. Just take it like this with your hand and lift it up. Okay? If it does not stay in place and it's just slowly falling down, lift it until you hear a click. Now we need to lift this panel over here. There is one of these tabs that you need to lift up. Now inside over here, you're going to find a handle on the cartridge itself. Simply take it and pull it out like that. Pull it all the way out of the printer. So now that is out, you can discard it, take a new one. And by the way, I'll put links in the description if you want to get one of these from Amazon. A new ink toner for this printer that will fit it well, made by Canon. And all you have to do is to glide it back. You just approach it, and then you're gonna notice there are some channels on each side that you need to align. And once it's aligned, you don't even need to push it. It goes back in place. All you have to do is to push it so it clicks in place. Like that. Now lower this lid. Okay. And lower the bigger lid. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe. Don't forget to check my Amazon links in the description. This supports my channel every time you buy something from those links. And I'll see you in the next video.